Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to use voice recorder on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on voice recorder app. After click on voice recorder, if you want to record and if you want to use voice recording, click on this icon. You will see voice recording is start. So you will see if you want to stop, so click on this icon. You will see recording is stop. If you want to again start, click on this icon. You will see recording is again start. If you want to finished, click on this icon and you will see type voice recording name and click on save. So that's how you can use voice recorder on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.